and welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at another Saskatchewan grain car. This one with running numbers on it. I think I have 12 of these things with 12 different running numbers. I'm not really sure how many there are. It's a nice 4-color car. I like the Saskatchewan color scheme. It's really beautiful cars. Must look nice rumbling around the prairie out there in Canada. And if you want yourself a Saskatchewan grain car, or two, I think this is the third grain car I made for Canada. You can get them on cults where I put these little things up there. This is pretty fun to color. The lines make it sort of finicky in some ways. I found it easiest to start with the color for the grain itself, so to make everything sort of yellow, and then you click on that in brown and orange and more yellow. I think you have to go back to it. But also like the little plates on the top. Getting better and better with grading as well. Little railings come out pretty well. FDM printing on a bamboo, 4-color. Basic bottom and top snaps together, and then you've got your microtrains couplers, like most of the ones I do it. Pretty routine now. You want to get it? Get it on cults. Print yourself a grain car. Haul some grain, feed the world. Thanks for watching. Check it out next time on Hand-Laid Tracks, 3D Printed Trains. I should have made a better song.